All right, our last one is spheres here, and just like how we dealt with it with surface area, it's kind of hard to visualize like in terms of base layer times height. That doesn't really come through with the spheres. These aren't prisms, it's just a three-dimensional circle. So with that, we're just going to use the formula we have here. So volume, you take 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. And the most common mistake that happens with students here is that with so many formulas we've dealt with, we've had pi r squared. But don't forget to cube it. We're actually using an exponent of 3. What can help is to think of when we're dealing with volume, our units are cubed, and with this we need to cube the radius. So here we have a sphere with radius of 6. So if I want the volume, I just take 4/3 times pi times 6 cubed. And we just plug that into a calculator. Make sure order of operations are working correctly. So we want our 4/3, and then make sure that up here is the pi times 6. To put in an exponent of 3, you can click this A to the B button and plug in the 3 there. So 904.7, let's just go 2 decimal places for 0.78. So 904.78, our units are inches, and that would be cubed for volume. If we're given a diameter, so a diameter of 20, our radius is just half of that, so we'd have a radius of 10. So for our volume, we're taking 4/3 times pi times this radius of 10 cubed. And plugging that into the calculator, we should have 4,188.79, and that'll be centimeters cubed. Oh, nice and short video there. Just plugging it into the formula, plug it into the calculator, and just make sure you attach the correct units at the end.